Hello, children. A very good morning. I hope everybody's doing good. And welcome to today's Me and Math live streaming. Doing good. Hi, Satvik. Good morning. Hi, Lavanya. Hi, Modipta. Oh, lovely to see everybody has started joining in. So, how's your Sunday morning going? Y'all can type it in the chat. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. All right. So, children, I hope everybody knows what is the topic for today. Y'all can quickly type in the chat and let me know what's the topic that we are going to cover today. Yes, are we getting it? Children, am I audible to all of you? Please let me know in the chat. Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you, Modipta. And yes, the topic is time. Today we are definitely going to do questions based on time. So I hope everybody has thoroughly understood the concept of time. Okay, that's great. So, yes, before we come to our topic, to our questions, I would like you to all please congratulate a star student of the week. So, any guesses who it might be? All right, let's see who it is and let's together congratulate Adam. Yes, congratulations, Adam and Trijal. Oh my God. Yes, so we have two star students, three-star students of the week. Wonderful. So Adam, Trijal, and Bhagat Singh. Oh my God. Congratulations to all three of you for the wonderful job that you all are doing. Yes. The dedication towards learning and the interest that they show, the performance that they do in their homework assignments, and attending their sessions regularly. Excellent job done by all three of you. Congratulations. Okay. So, other than Satvik, Lavanya, and Modipta, the others, can you please type your names so that I can call you all by your right names? Ajit Mishra and yes, hi Arohi and Vijaya Abhinaya. So please type your names so that I know who you both are and I can call you all with your right names. Okay. All right. So these are the star students of the week, and y'all can also be one of them. So, yes, show your dedication towards learning, and yes, exactly. Time is precious. We all know. So, that's what we are going to be learning about today, and we are going to have our questions based on time. But before that, I have a small little riddle for all of you. Okay, Sujan. Yes. So, welcome to today's Me and Math quiz. Okay, so small riddle for all of you. So when my father was 31, I was 8. Now he is twice as old as me. So how old am I? Come on, let's see who can tell me the answer to this. जब मेरे पापा 31 years के थे, मैं 8 years की थी. ओके, आज वो मेरे एज की डबल है. ही इज ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज मी. 2 times मेरी एज है. तो हाउ ओल्ड एम आई टुडे? मैं आज कितने साल की हूँ? ओके, दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू find the answer and tell me. Come on, quickly. Let's see who is able to crack this. Okay, we've already started getting answers. Sujan says 16 and Satvik says 46. Children, oh, oh my God, 248. Anu Kumari, Lavanya, 248. You think my age would be 248? Oh, that definitely cannot happen. Okay, we are getting answers 16, 23, 24. Arohi says 16, 23. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Who is Satvik? Yeah, Satvik 23. Okay, wait. So let me reveal the answer since I've got so many responses and let's find out who has given us the correct answer. And yes, Satvik, excellent job. You have definitely given the correct answer. That is 23 years old. Today I am 23 years old. Yes, Satvik, congratulations. So how 23? So if you do twice my current age, that is 23 plus 23, that is 46. Okay. So his father's age is 46 presently in today's time, right? And when his father was 31 years old, okay, I was when my father was 31 years old, I was 28 years old. Okay. So now if you calculate, uh, yeah. So if you calculate that after 8 up to 23, okay, 8 up to 23, that is 13, 15. So 31 plus 15, I get 46. And since his father is 46, so 8 plus 15 gives me 23. So 23, today I'm 23 and my father is 46 years old. That is double my age, twice my age. And yes, that's the correct answer. So congratulations, Satvik, for cracking this riddle. You have definitely done a good job over here. Okay, so time to move on to show you all the voices of a few of our learners. So we have a lot of our students who keep participating regularly, enjoy the session, and of course, learn a lot of things by participating in these sessions. So we have Lavanya, Arya, Arohi, they are kind of regular participants most of the time. We have Satvik, most of the times they are participating and actively responding also, giving answers to the questions. Okay, all right, Modipta, your father is 46 years old, but yes, definitely you are not 23. So, yes, that was a small riddle. And coming to all our wonderful participants. So, thank you so much to all of you who participate regularly and, of course, be a part of our live streaming sessions every Sunday, removing that 1 hour of your holiday to, of course, have fun and learn together. Okay. All right. So now we move on to our topic for today, that is time. Right? We all know, yes, as somebody had correctly, rightly written, that time is very precious. We should not squander it, or rather we should not waste it. हमें टाइम को बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए, टाइम को राइटली यूज करना चाहिए, बिकॉज टाइम जो गया वो वापस नहीं आ सकता है. सो जो टाइम गया, जो टाइम पास हो जाता है, वो कभी वापस नहीं आता है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम हमारे टाइम को प्रॉपरली यूटिलाइज करें, जैसे आज आप लोग सब कर रहे हो. यू ऑल आर यूटिलाइजिंग योर टाइम productively by participating in these sessions, because that is going to definitely help you out, right? Okay, so let's quickly get a brief idea about what does time include. So time can be, yes, the hour that we are talking about, the minutes that we are talking about, okay, or the seconds that we talk about. So this is all shown by the clock, right? Now, the clock is the instrument that helps us understand these things about, of our day. Now, day itself is also a time. So, the days of the week, so a week, month, right? Year, they all are talking about time, even season, or let's say the part of the day. So, whether it is morning, okay, whether it is afternoon or evening or night, whatever. So, these are all different parts of time. And week, month, and year. What is the instrument that we use to understand this? It's the calendar, right? So the calendar tells us which week it is, which day it is, which month of the year it is, and which year it is, right? Yeah. Okay. So these are the different parts of time, and this is what we are going to. The questions are going to be based on all of these terms that we all know about. Okay. All right. Now, just a quick few conversion points that we could revise over here for today. Okay. So 1 hour, who can tell me? 1 hour equals to how many minutes? Hi, Sanvi. Good morning. 1 hour equals to how many minutes? Then 1 minute equals to how many seconds? Very good. Yes, it's absolutely 60. Yes, Satvik, you're absolutely right. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, right? Then we have 1 week equals to 7 days, right? 1 day equals to 24 hours, right? 1 month equals to, it could be 30, 31, and in the exception case of February, it could be 28 or 29 days, right? And 1 year, of course, has 12 months, right? So these all basic things are going to help us in conversion of time, right? If we have time, we have been asked about conversion from hours to minutes, minutes to seconds. These all basic understanding helps us uh, convert things easily. Okay, Modipta, yes, you can write, but then maybe you can. It's better that you take a picture of this so that later you can note it down in your book. You can take a screenshot or a picture of this. Okay, because if you sit to write, it will take us a lot of time to. You'll miss out on what we will be doing next. Okay, so children, time to move on. Okay, time to move on to, yes, of course, 1 year can also be equal to 365 days. So it can be 12 months or 365 days. Okay, so time to move on to our first question for the day. I hope everybody is ready, and here it is. Amar's birthday falls on 12th June. If it is Monday on 28th March 2015, then on what day will be his birthday in the same year? Amar's birthday falls on 12 June. We know that his birthday is on 12 June. If 28th March is Monday, then what will be 12 June? Which date will be 12 June? So let's quickly calculate and find out what day it would be on 12 June. 28th March is Monday, okay? And 12th June is what we have to find out. Okay, are we ready with the answers? I cannot see anybody typing. Come on, children. I don't think it is that difficult to find it out. So I can give you all a hint over here. Okay. So here we are talking about elapsed time or date. Okay. So, and keeping this concept in mind, you can find out what day it would be on 12 June. Okay. All right. So let's start understanding. I mean, we are definitely taking too long. So let's start quickly understanding. We start from 28th March. Okay. So that is Monday. Okay. That is 28th March. Now, next Monday, that means when will be the next Monday? That means 70. So 28 plus 7. What do we get? Yeah. So next would be 4th April. So that way you can keep adding week wise and you can find out what day it would be on 12 June. So after 4th April, we will have 11th April. Next Monday would be 11th April. Okay. After that, next Monday will be 8th April, 18th April. I'm so sorry. And then plus adding 7 further, we get 25th April. Okay, so then 2nd May, then again Monday will come on 9th May. Next Monday will be on 16th May. Okay, again after 16th May, adding 7, 23rd May. I hope children, you all are there, you are able to understand. 23rd May plus 7, we get 30th May, which is again on Monday. Okay, now I'm getting all the answers. Oh my God. Okay. 30th May plus 7, we get 6th June and plus 7, 13 June. So that is 13 June is a Monday. So that means my 12th June will be, since 13 June is a Monday, so 12th June would be a Sunday. Yes, so my answer is option C. So let's see who has typed the option C. Uh, everybody's got option D, Friday. Oh my God, children. It is going to be a Sunday. Yes. The correct answer is option C, that is Sunday. So when 13 June falls on Monday, that means 12 June would definitely be a Sunday. Okay. So you can just keep adding 7 a week every time, and you can find out what day it was going to be on 12th June. Okay. So week wise you can add and you can find out. Okay. All right, great. I know this was a bit tricky, but you could have found it, right? No worries. Now we have understood how to find it, so it's okay. All right, coming to my next question. What will be the time after 70 seconds from the time shown below? Come on, you'll have only 1 minute to find out the answer to this, or rather even 30 seconds to find the answer to this. Let's see who gives the answer first. Here, clock में जो time दिखाया है, उसमें अगर 70 seconds के बाद 70 सेकेंड्स के बाद क्या टाइम होगा एग्जैक्टली वो आपको मुझे बताना है. So let's see who can crack this well. My timer has started and you have, let's say, maximum 1 minute. So come on, who's getting it? It's pretty easy, just 70 seconds ahead of this time, and you can tell me the correct time that it should be. It would be rather after 70 seconds. Nobody yet? Time's running out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I haven't got any answers in the chat. Is this really difficult? Oh, finally. So Modipta says A, Arohi says A, and Harshita Wale says A. Sanvi also says option A. Okay, yes, Sanvi. All right, got it. Sanvi says option A. Okay. And yes, I can say option A is unfortunately not the correct answer. It has to be option B. I know this is where we all would tend to make errors. Okay. So, but let's understand how it would be option B. Now, here the time is 6:45, right? And upper 55 seconds. Now I have to add 70 seconds to this. Okay. So 55 seconds, it is already 55 seconds. So talking about 70 seconds means 70 seconds equals to 1 minute and 10 seconds, right? So I am going to add that. So 1 minute and 10 seconds. So here again, if I'm adding 10 seconds, I get 65 seconds, which is not, I mean, of course, greater than 60 seconds. So I will have to convert this. So since this is 65 seconds, I will take this again, add 1 minute. 65 seconds equals to 1 minute, 5 seconds, right? So this 1 minute I am going to add over here. and the 5 seconds will remain over here. Okay, so this 5 seconds will remain as it is. 1 minute I'm going to add over here. So 6:45 plus 2 minutes will give me the time as 6:47 and the remaining 5 seconds. So this is how we get the answer as B, 6:47 and 5 seconds. Okay, it's already 6:45 and 55 seconds. So in 5 seconds, it would have turned 6:46 and plus the further uh, remaining seconds gives me the final answer as 6:47, 5 seconds. Okay, so correct option is option B, 6:47 and 5 seconds. So this was a bit tricky, but yes, my children attempted it. That's more important. And who got it right? Vijaya Abhinaya. Sorry, I got to know your name. Okay, Vijaya Abhinaya, I think I lost your name. I cannot see it above. Sujan, yes. Okay, got it. So Sujan was the only one who got this right. So very good job, Sujan. Keep up the good job. Now, time to move on to the third question that we have, which says, what fraction of 1 minute 20 seconds is 45 seconds? तो आपको 1 minute 20 seconds में से 45 seconds का fraction ढूंढ के बताना है. So again, this is not that difficult. Yes, y'all can quickly find out the fraction and tell me 45 seconds out of 1 minute 20 seconds. What would be the fraction? So one hint that I can give you all over here is that we have to convert. First convert and then you can find out the fraction. Now y'all have to find out what y'all have to convert into what and then how do we find out the fraction. I have definitely made your work easier. Okay, but yes, y'all are the ones who have to tell me the answer. Okay, I've already got an answer from Satvik who says D. D, 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 D. Oh my God. So many times you've typed D. Anybody else who would like to answer this? Sujan says B. Okay. All right. So let's find out what's the correct answer. Now, when I gave you all the hint, I meant, of course, that first we have to convert 1 minute 20 seconds completely into seconds because what I have to compare it with is 45 seconds only. So this whole time I have to convert it into seconds. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds and plus the 20 seconds. So I get how many? Total 80 seconds over here. Okay, total 80 seconds. Now I have to find out the fraction of 1 minute 20 second to 45 seconds, right? So it's quite obvious that I'm going to put 45 as the numerator, 60 as the denominator. So 45 out of 60. Sorry, 45 out of 80. I'm so sorry. 45 out of 80. Now, simply I can simplify this. Okay. So what do I get? 5 nines are 45 and 5 16s are 80. So I cannot further reduce this. This is the simplest form that I can put it into. So it is, the final answer is 9 upon 60. So option D is correct answer, which was correctly given by Sujan. Very good job, Sujan. Very good. Very good job, Sujan. Yes. D is the correct answer, 9 upon 16. Okay. And this is how we got, because first we convert 1 minute to 20 seconds into complete seconds, and then we compare 45 out of 80, which gives us the fraction. After simplifying, we get 9 upon 60. Okay. I hope it's clear. Oh, I'm so sorry. My mistake is, yes, it was not Sujan, it was Satvik. Satvik. Yes. Yes, Satvik, you were the first one to give the correct answer. Very good, Satvik. Keep up the good job. Okay, coming to my next question. That is, Arun does his homework for 30 minutes each day. Okay. Every day Arun uska homework karta hai 30 minutes ke liye. He starts when the minute hand is on 9. Okay. Get this right. वो कब शुरू करता है? जब मिनट का हैंड 9 के ऊपर होता है. ओके. वेयर विल द मिनट हैंड बी व्हेन ही कंप्लीट्स हिज होमवर्क? जब वो अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करता है तो मिनट हैंड किसके ऊपर आएगा? मेक अ नोट. He does his homework for 30 minutes every day. He started with the minute hand at 9. So after he finishes his homework, where will the minute hand come to? Oh, Modipta has already given the answer. Okay, but whether it's right or not, let's see. This time Modipta was really quick. Wow, Modipta. And it's quite obvious. Like, let's look at the clock. So we have 12. Okay. So if my minute hand is at 9, okay. If my minute hand is on 9, after 30 minutes means the minute hand will rotate half part of the clock. Yes. So it will come up to 3. So my correct answer is option A, which was given by Modipta first. Congratulations, Modipta. Good job. It was really quick and you definitely gave the correct answer. Very good, Modipta. Yes, children, how are we getting C, D? My God, so many different answers. After 30 minutes, it cannot remain on 9, right? It's going to come to 3 after 30 minutes. You get it? Okay. So the correct option is option A, that is 3. So after 30 minutes, he will finish his homework. So when he will finish his homework, uska homework jab khatam hoga, wo 3 pe aayega. Okay. All right. Very good, Modita. Modita, good job. Now I am loving the energy of the children. They are so eager to answer, so eager to participate, and they are trying to find out the correct answer as quick as possible. So very good. I love the enthusiasm. Keep going like this. Okay. Now coming to the next question. I hope everybody's ready. Yes. So here the question says, Anu took 4 weeks, 5 days to complete some part of a project. Okay. Project का एक part complete करने को उसको 4 weeks, 5 days लगे. She took another 3 weeks to complete the rest of the project. 4 weeks, 5 days to complete some part of it. Then she took another 3 weeks plus 3 weeks to complete the rest of the project. How many days did she take to finish the whole project? Come on, very easy to find out. Let's calculate and tell me how many days did she take to complete the whole project? Let's see who gets this correct first and quick and correctly, of course. Who gives the correct answer first? I'm waiting and okay, once again, Modipta gives the answer first. She says it's option B. Okay, let's find out whether it's option B or not. So we have 4 weeks and 5 days, right? Plus 3 weeks, 0 days, right? Total, this is the time that Anu takes to complete the whole project. Okay, so this comes up to 7 weeks. and 5 days. Now these weeks, if I have to convert them into days, so I can say 7, 1 week is equal to 1 week equals to 7 days, right? So 7 weeks will be equal to 7 into 7 days. That comes up to 49 plus 5 days also we have to count, and which gives me 54 days as the correct answer. So very good, Modipta. Yes, you were the first one to give the correct answer. Okay. Satvik. Okay, I thought you gave answer for the previous question. Okay, yes, Satvik. All right, sorry, I'm sorry. But yes, Satvik gave the correct answer. Modipta gave the correct answer. And then rest, everybody started giving the correct answer. So good job, all of y'all. Wonderful. Yes, the answer is 54 days, which is absolutely correct. Good job. Good job. Oh my God. Okay. Sanvi, but your answer is you gave the option C as the answer, right? No, I can't see Sanvi's answer. And C was for the previous question or this question. I'm not sure, but yes, if you've given C, so C is not the correct answer. B, that is 54 days, is the correct answer. Okay. All right. Time to move on to my next question, children. Let's not focus on just comparing ourselves and trying to be first. Focus on getting the correct answer, but better than that, focus on understanding the concept, how to find out the correct answer. Okay, that's very much important. So, okay, children, Modipta, Satvik, okay, all right, Sanvi, all three of you all give the correct answer. Fine. Yes, you'll give the correct, you'll give the answer B. Though, Sanvi, I cannot see your answer that you've given first. I can see Satvik's answer first, then Modipta, and then your answer. But yes, all three of you all have given the correct answer, which was answer B. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Now let's move on to our next question. Let's not get stuck over here. And I'm sure you all might be excited for the next one. So let's see who gets that right. Okay. So ready? All of us together are going to see the next question. Let's see who gives the answer first for this. My watch is 26 minutes स्लो. मेरी जो घड़ी है वो 26 मिनट्स स्लो चल रही है. उसमें अभी का टाइम है 8:14. नाउ इट इज 8:14. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट टाइम टू आवर्स फ्रॉम नाउ? अब से 2 घंटे के बाद क्या करेक्ट टाइम होना चाहिए? मेरे क्लॉक के हिसाब से नहीं. आपके अभी के बाद मेरी जो क्लॉक दिखाएगी उससे करेक्ट टाइम क्या होना चाहिए आफ्टर 2 hours? So come on, let's see who gives the answer first for this. But correct, of course. My watch is 26 minutes slow. It now shows 8:14. What is the correct time 2 hours from now in a 24-hour clock rotation? Okay. What's taking you all so long, dear? All my dearies, come on, faster. All right, here I get an answer from Vijaya Abhinaya. Sujan, that is right. Okay, Sujan says option C. Satvik says option D. And Modipta says option C. Okay, so let's see what is the correct answer. Now, my watch is 26 minutes slow, so we'll come to this part later. First, what is my watch showing? It is 8:14. So, what is the correct time 2 hours from now? So, 8:14 plus 2 hours. So, after 2 hours, my watch will show what time? 10:14. Okay, 9:14 and 10:14. So 2 hours ke baad it will show me 10:14. But my watch is 26 minutes slow, right? It is 26 minutes behind. So I will have to add 26 minutes more over here. So 14 plus 26 gives me the answer as 1040. Okay, the answer is 1040, which is C, which is correctly given by Sujan. Yes, Sujan gave the correct answer first. He said C, and then Modipta, and then Sanvi, who all give the option C as their answer. So yes, should be option C, because first of all, it cannot be D there, because we are not 3 hours ahead. We are just 2 hours ahead. So 8:14 plus 2 hours means 9:14 and 10:14. So 10:14 and plus 26 minutes, because my watch is slow. So that gives me 10:40 as the answer, and 10:40 is the present correct time. Okay, I hope it's clear. Yes, Satvik, you gave D. It cannot be D, it is C. All right, Sujan, congratulations. This answer you corrected it first correctly. Okay, wonderful. All right, time to move on to the next one, which says, okay, this question says, Mrs. Tendulkar is 3 times as old as her daughter. Acha? So I hope we all know who's Mrs. Tendulkar, the very famous Sachin Tendulkar's wife, or probably his mother. We can assume it as anyone. Okay. So Mrs. Tendulkar is 3 times as old as her daughter. उसकी बेटी के 3 times उसकी age है. Okay. Now her daughter is 9 years 6 months old. Daughter की क्या age है? 9 years 6 months. 9 years 6 months. Find the age of Mrs. Tendulkar. Oh my God, Modipta and Satvik have already given the answers. How fast you all have calculated, children. 9 years 6 months. Daughter की एज है 9 years 6 months. मिसेस टेंडुल की एज है 3 times उसकी डॉटर की एज. तो आप 3 times करेंगे तो कितना होगा? So let's calculate 9 years 6 months. Okay. So if I multiply this by 3, that is 3 times. So what do I get? 27 years and 3 6 are 18 months. Okay. Now 18 months, I can still convert it into years. So I can say 18 months equals to 1 year and 6 months. So adding this to my 27 years, I get, sorry, the final answer I get as 28 years and 6 months. Okay, so this is my final answer. So the age of the daughter, sorry, age of Mrs. Tendulkar is 28 years 6 months, and that is option C, which was correctly given by Satvik first. Congratulations, Satvik. Good job. Good job. Yes, Satvik, I'm coming to that only. Modipta, you gave the answer first, but yes, your answer was incorrect. The correct answer is 28 years 6 months. Okay. The correct answer was given by Satvik first. So, congratulations. Yes, children, let's not, once again, I'm repeating, let's not focus on only giving the answer first. Okay, that's not important. Understanding the concept and then finding the correct answer is more than important. Whether you give it first, whether you give it the answer second, whether you give the answer third. Okay, all right, cool, very good. Let's move on to the next question. We do not have much time left now, so let's quickly, come on. Let's move on. Okay, Amit returned his library book on September 4th. If he had borrowed it on 17 August, how many days has he kept the book? Amit returned his library book. Okay, Amit के पास एक library book थी जो उसने 4th सितंबर को रिटर्न की। उसने बुक कब ली थी? 17th अगस्त को ली थी। सो हाउ मेनी डेज हैड ही केप्ट द बुक? हमें इट्स क्लियरली मेंशन्ड डू नॉट इंक्लूड द डेट ऑफ रिटर्न। डेट ऑफ रिटर्न को इंक्लूड नहीं करना है, उसको नहीं गिनना है। सो कितने दिनों तक उसने बुक रखी? हाउ मेनी डेज डिड ही हैव द बुक? Alright, so let's quickly find that. It's not that difficult. And this time, let's see who does it, who cracks it correctly. So you have to count the elapsed time between 17 August to 4th September. But keeping in mind that 4th September, you do not have to include because the date of return has not to be included. Okay, so 17th August to 4th September. How many days does it come to? Okay, I haven't got any answers yet. Okay, here we get Arohi says B, Satvik says A, uh, Sanvi says A, Modipta says B. Okay, let's find out. So 17th August to 3rd September is what we are going to calculate because 4th September they have said we do not have to include. The date of return we do not have to include. So 17th August to 31st August, how many days do we get? 14 days of August, right? Plus 3 days of September. Because once again, I'm repeating, 4th September, we do not have to include. They have clearly stated, do not include the date of return. Do not include the date of return. Okay, do not include the date of return. So 4th September, we do not have to count. So that finally gives me 17 days, which is option A. And yes, Satvik gave the correct answer first. Very good, Satvik. Keep up the good job. Sanvi, yes, you tried, but yes, B is not the correct answer. As I clearly stated, do not include the date of return. If you include 4th September, you get the option B as the answer, but option B is incorrect and option A is the right answer. Okay, so 17 days is the correct option and option A is my right answer. So good job, Satvik. And other than Satvik, we have Sanvi who gave the correct answer. Okay, all right. And yeah, Sujan also gave the option A as the correct answer. Well done, children. Okay, coming to my next question, which says Samrat was given 1 week time to complete his geometry project. He realized that 3 days and 17 hours had already gone by. How much time is left for Samrat to complete his project? So 3 days, 17 hours have passed by. Okay. So you have to find out how much time is still left for Samrat to complete. He had 1 week time. He had 1 week time. That means he had 7 days. Okay, 1 week equals to 7 days, out of which 3 days and 17 hours are already finished. So how many more? How much? How many more? Or how many? How much time is still left? कितना और टाइम बाकी है 1 week कंप्लीट होने के लिए? 3 दिन 17 घंटे ऑलरेडी निकल चुके हैं और कितना टाइम उसके पास बाकी है प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करने के लिए? Of course, you have to find. I'm giving you all the hint. You'll have to find the answer in days. Okay, I've got the answer from Madipta first, who says option C. Then Satvik says option A. Arohi says option A. And let's find out whose answer is correct. Okay. So 3 days, 17 hours have passed by. So to complete 4 days, we still have the remaining 17 out of 24, 17 hours are passed. Right. So we have 4 and 3, 7 hours remaining to complete 4 days. Okay. Remaining to complete 4 days. Okay. And 7 hours up to 4 days, and the remaining 3 days are left. So we have 3 days in from 1 week, we have 3 more days, right? So 3 days plus 7 hours. Okay, that's the remaining time, total remaining time. I hope everybody's got it. So 3 days have already gone by. Of the fourth day, 17 hours are already complete. So we have 7 hours left of the fourth day, plus the remaining 3 days to come up to 1 week. So total 3 days and 7 hours is my answer, which is option A, and which was correctly given by Satvik. Maudipta, you did give the answer, but unfortunately, it was incorrect. Satvik gave the correct answer first, that is 3 days and 7 hours, which is absolutely correct. Okay. All right. Good job, Satvik. Good job. But yes, good job, the others also who are attempting the question. I'm very happy with the children who are at least trying to answer the question. Okay. All right. Coming on to my next question. We don't have much time. So let's quickly move on to question here, which says Mega has holidays on every second and fourth Saturday of a month. So second Saturday, fourth Saturday, usko holiday hoti hai. On which dates she has holidays in January 2013. So let's find out. We have the calendar of December 2012. आपको find out करना है जनवरी में कौन से दिन पे उसको holidays होगी. So कौन से date पे? Okay. We already know कि every second and fourth Saturday she has holiday. तो जनवरी में भी सेकेंड और फोर्थ सैटरडे को उसको हॉलीडे होगी, पर अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट विच डेट्स इन जनवरी आर दी सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ सैटरडे? Okay, all right, let's quickly find out. Okay, so January, I've written the dates of the calendar, and now I think it's very easy for you all to find out. Okay, so I've already got answers from Satvik, who says option C is correct. Okay, he has given the option C as the answer. Modipta first says C, then she says D, and Arohi says C, Sujan says D, and now again Satvik is saying B. Satvik, how much of confusion? Okay, so according to the calendar that I have drawn over here, I have made it easier for you all to find out. So every second and fourth Saturday. So now look at the Saturdays of January. Focus on the Saturdays of January, these. So second Saturday and the fourth Saturday. So that is 12th and 26th, which gives me the option D as the correct answer. And who has given this answer correct? Modipta. Satvik gave the answer first, but his answer was incorrect. Even Modipta first gave the wrong answer. But yes, she corrected it quickly and she said D is the correct answer. Yes, absolutely right. 12 and 26th is the correct answer. 12th and 26th of January will be the holidays for Megha. So good job. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Now, quickly, let's move on to the question of our day, Sunday bonus question. Okay, quickly. We just have 2 minutes in which we have to wrap up and end the session. So here comes my Sunday bonus question, which and let's see who can crack this correctly. Who can find out the answer? So I'm waiting. Come on. What is 65 minutes subtracted from the sum of 145 minutes and 1 hour 20 minutes? Okay. Once again, 65 minutes अगर हम 145 मिनट्स और 1 और 20 मिनट्स के सम में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो कितना टाइम बचेगा? So let's see who can give me the correct answer for this. Okay, so the first thing, come on quickly, children, type the answer in the chat. Sum of 145 minutes plus 1 hour 20 minutes, right? So I cannot definitely add hour and minutes. So 145 minutes plus 1 hour is 60 minutes.